In this video, I'll show you how to download the latest version of Java for Windows 11. First, open up the browser of your choice, and in the search bar, type in Oracle Java. Hit enter, click on the first link on Java software, click on download Java, scroll down a bit, and you can see Java Kit 24. So this is the latest version. You can select your operating system here, Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. I use Windows, so I'm going to go with that. And click on x64 installer. Click on this link. Wait for the installer to download. Once the installer has done downloading, open the installer. Click on next. Keep this file path as it is and click on next. And click on close. Now open up your File Explorer. On the left bar, scroll down, go to this PC, open up your C drive, go to Program Files, and if you don't see Java, just click on the letter J on your keyboard, and you'll see Java. Click on that. Open up JDK 24, so the latest version. Go to Bin. Now, right-click on this. Just right-click and select Copy Address. Now we can minimize this. Now go to the Windows search bar and type in environment variables. Open this. Click on environment variables. Now here under system variables, you'll see this path, C program files. Double click this, double left click this to open it. Click on new. Now press on Control V or simply right click and click on paste. Then just click OK, 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 and close everything down. Now in the Windows search bar, type in CMD, click on open, and type in Java space dash dash version. Click enter. You can see Java 24. We have installed the latest version of Java. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.